Hello guys, good morning. It's Jan and Maria in Mindanao. Thank you so much for coming by to our channel to watch us today. I have not done a video in the last 2 weeks, and I thought today I would talk about our dog Kikai. Today is her big day. She's getting we are getting her spayed today and bringing her to the vet here in Kidapawan. And at the end of this video, I'll be talking about the cost of spaying a dog in our area here in Kidapawan. There's the local vet here, a city vet, and we actually put him on the list since January, but Gina checked it last week and see uh, where we are at the list, and she said that there's still a lot of people ahead of us. So we decided to just go to the private vet, and that's where she is going today. The cost of the government vet or the city vet for is paying here in Kidapawan is 1,000 pesos if you are over 10 kilos, and Kikai is over 10 kilos. So it's a little bit higher. I think it's a little cheaper if they're smaller dogs. I'll check on Gina. Pila gani ang charge sa gamay nga iro diri Jen? Under 10 kilos? Dili katong mag-spade ba sa city vet? Abi na ko 1,000 ang over 10 kilos.
10 kilos above 10,000. 1,000.
Nya ang below?
Below 9.
So Gina said that if it's below 10 kilos, it's 900. So there's actually just 100 pesos difference.
May gani kay nabutan siya, wala nang sige ko.
Getting prep for the surgery.
Mag-check sa comprehensive.
Sige.
Para paspas lang.
Ano sa boy? So, possible na pag mga surgery.
Hello Kikay. Hello guys, good afternoon. We are back from the vet now, and it's a long day for Kikai, but she's finally home, and she is going back to the vet next week after 1 week to see how she is doing. But as promised, I'm here to share with you the expenses. Before she went in for surgery today, they have to take her platelet count yesterday, and that cost 500 pesos. And the surgery and the anesthesia cost 6,500, and the prescription meds cost about 1,030. So altogether we spent 8,030 on Kikai to get her surgery done. John was worried that since I'm going back to Canada, that in my absence she might get pregnant. That's why we cannot wait. We were gonna wait for the city vet to call us, but we are like farther on the line, and it's more likely that it won't happen before I go back next month. So I think we did the right thing to bring her in early to a private vet. It's a little more expensive. Everything had gone up in price. 4 years ago, when we had our other 2 female dogs done, it cost us just a little bit over 13,000, which is about 6,500 pesos each. But that was 4 years ago, and everything had gone up since then. So thank you everyone for coming and watching us again, and please like, share, And if you haven't subscribed yet, we will really appreciate your subscription. Thank you very much.